Hello, my name is Derika Isakova and you are watching InstaForex News. Any signs of that the People's Bank of China is becoming more aggressive in relation to the rates upturn and that the Chinese economic growth is losing the pace more will lead to a fast mood changing among the investors. The key problem is that if any weakness of the world growth prospects caused by the Chinese lowering is able to be balanced by the US and Eurozone recovery. If it does not happen, then general prospects of the global uptrend will be revised to the downside. That will prompt the investors to return to the sanctuary assets as their risk inclination is reducing. Nevertheless, there is another scenario which can harm the risky assets, and the Central Bank of China will continue fearing that the interest rates advancement will accelerate the capital inflow and worsen the situation. In this case, the ongoing economic overheat will fuel the risk of so-called tough policy, when the People's Bank of China will have to increase the rates by faster paces in order to moderate the inflation. Consequences for the Chinese growth and the global economy may turn out to be more disturbing. If the investors decrease their focus, then they may lose the inclination to risk, giving a clear preference to such sanctuary currencies as the US dollar. Keep watching Forex News with InstaForex. Goodbye.